In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto-translate online. By the end, you'll have a group chat that translates messages for you in real time, making cross-language conversations simple and seamless. Start by launching the Line app on your device. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign in so you're on your home screen. A quick tip here. Make sure you're connected to the internet and using the latest version of Line for the smoothest experience. From the main screen, tap the Home tab. This is where you can manage your profile settings and, importantly for today, your contacts. In the top right, tap the Add Friends icon. It looks like a person with a plus sign, and choose Search. This brings up the search bar where you can find official translation bots that Line provides for different language pairs. In the search field, type the official ID for the language pair you need. For example, you can use @linenth for English to Thai and Thai to English, or @linencn for English to Chinese and Chinese to English. Be sure to include the symbol and confirm you found the official account. Official accounts typically have verification indicators and clear descriptions, which help you avoid imposters. Once you've found the correct bot, tap Add or Follow to add it to your contact list. Adding it ensures you can include the bot in your conversations and that it can assist with translations reliably. If the option looks grayed out, give the page a second to load or refresh and try again. Next, create a new group chat that includes you, your friend, and the translation bot. Open your chats, start a new group, select your friend from your contacts, then add the translation bot you just followed. Give the group a clear name so everyone knows it's the translated chat. Once the group is created, start the conversation as you normally would. From here, the bot will step in automatically. You and your friend can each write in your own language, and the bot will post the translated version right below the original message. If a translation doesn't appear, double-check that the bot is a member of the group and that you have a stable connection. Keep your messages clear and concise for the best results, and remember that most translation bots handle text only, not images or voice notes. If something sounds off, rephrase your message and send it again. That's it. You've enabled auto-translate online and set up a group where everyone can communicate comfortably in their preferred language.